Hi guys, in front of me is TECNO SPARK GO from 2022, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone dialer, then go to Contacts and choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Select Edit and click on camera icon. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. And pick the picture that you want to apply as your contact one. You can customize it however you like. Let me do it this way, and then click on Save. Then tap on confirmation mark, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.